And then last but not least, so this is number 10 on the horror stories in terms of the Halloween special for the kind of roadmap kind of live stream, is if you have a new competitor arrive on the scene, and what do you do about it? Because almost for every business, we all do stuff. And it doesn't matter if you're a theatre company or a chip shop or a consultancy firm or an engineering firm or a bakery, whatever it is that you do. If a rival bakery opens up across the road from you, you're not going to enjoy it. You're going to worry about them stealing some of your customers, if not all your customers. And then the whole point is, if someone new arrives on the scene in terms of your business, what do you do? How do you react for it? And how do you actually kind of make it work? Because the first one is almost, you just need to accept that it's happened. In business, it's like sport, it's competition. So you can't, if you sit on your laurels and just do the same thing for 10 years, someone else will come in and just blow you out of the water. So you need to constantly look at it. But actually, when the new competitor kind of arrives, look at them, look at what they're good at, really look at their website, what's their messaging, how are they positioning themselves? And if they're clever, what they will have done is looked at the market, which will include you. They will have tried to find what their niche is, and they will often be promoting that. But then what you want to do when you're trying to kind of launch or grow your business, it's in module 7 on marketing, and it's about your positioning exercise. It's how do you fit in your market, and how do you compare against all of your competitors? And it could be, so what we do is we plot 2 axes. One could be price, one could be quality, one could be, basically it's whatever you want. And you get a feel for how you sit. Sorry, my voice is going a bit. There we go. So when you actually plot out different axes, it could be quality versus price, it could be ease of use, it could be lead time, delivery. But the point is, the more axes that you actually draw out, you versus your competitors, it might be that your competitor actually has a better product. It's more expensive, but you have to admit it's better. But it might be that they take 6 months to deliver their product to customers. And that could be true with the new kind of competitor. So what you want to do is really look at the position and look at the market and see what is your USP versus this new player, but also against everyone else. And then adapt your promotion to fit. So it might be that your USP, what makes your business special, it could be lead time, it could be quick delivery, it could be that you make the best product, it could be whatever you wish. But the point is, then go hard on terms of how and when you promote that to really make sure that the audience really understands what makes you better, what makes you special. So that even though there is a new competitor in town, you've almost, through looking at them and respecting what they do and what they're good at, change your style, change what you're doing to actually be more effective in your kind of market share and what you're trying to do. Often if you stay exactly the same, you're probably going to lose. And if they're good, they might be rubbish. They might not have even thought about brand positioning. But the point is, there's a lot of stuff that you can do which will make a massive difference in terms of your general kind of future promotion and success. But it's definitely a business horror story if another kind of competitor shows up. And this is hopefully just a quick idea about how to deal with that, how to react. And yes, I think, you want to play to your strengths. Every business should really know what it's good at and actually just own it, own that space. For me, I hopefully getting quite good at live streaming, so I'm kind of, really kind of playing hard on this. But any of my competitors could copy, they could set something up. But actually, I think it would take quite a long time to do it. It'd be quite expensive to do it. So actually, that almost, the more time and effort I put into this and the textbook and the course, it makes it harder and harder for someone to copy. And that's the kind of how you can protect and grow your kind of business.